Hello, students, and welcome to Ms. Rodriguez's classroom. How are you today? Go ahead and unmute and tell me how you're doing.
Good.
Good. I'm so happy to see you. Today, as you can tell from the screen, we will continue our work with prefixes. Who remembers that we've been working on prefixes for the last couple of weeks? Give me a thumbs up if you remember. Awesome. Okay. Make sure you mute yourself again so that we can continue. All right. So, welcome, and I'm so happy that you are here today for this class. Here are the things that you are going to need. You will need your student-guided practice book, a pencil, an eraser, your brain. Everybody point to their brain. And you need your smiles. Can you show me your smiles today? Excellent. So that tells me you're ready to go. Let's get started. Today's preview is today's prefix is pre. So that's the one we're going to learn. And we've already kind of talked about that, right? That pre means before. So if review means to see something again, what might preview mean?
Like you're taking a quiz and you got a review for it?
Yes, when you're reviewing, you have to look at it again and again and again. What if I said preview? Have you heard in the movies? Sometimes you go to the movies and they say, we're going to show you a preview of a coming movie. What does that mean? Preview of a coming movie. Mickey.
Like, if it's a movie, then it's before it comes out. It's part of the movie. Kind of like a trailer.
Okay, kind of like a trailer. Excellent job. And you said exactly the words. If it's a movie, we're watching it before it comes out. Perfect. Camden, you wanted to say something else? Oh, unmute yourself.
That Mickey said.
Oh, she said what you were going to say? Okay. Good job, Camden. Thank you. So yes, absolutely. A preview is a movie that or a trailer kind of, because it comes before the movie and we get to see it before the movie. Good job. So let's take a look at these words. We need to figure out the meaning of these words. We see the word prefix, pre-game, prepare, pre-soak, and pre-test. Let's start by figuring out what the base of these words are and then the prefixes, and we'll figure out the meanings together. How does that sound? Thumbs up. Yeah, excellent. So the first one is prefix. We've kind of talked about that one, so this will be a review. The base is fix, and the prefix is pre. You already told me that, remember? And we decided that if we put the meaning of fix together with the meaning of pre, that means that we attach a prefix before the word. So now let's look at pre-game. Have you ever had your teacher give you a pre-test? So they'll say, let's take this test. And then
a bigger test. And then a more important test.
That's right. Next, you'll take the big test. But the pre-test helps you prepare for it. You're right. Trip?
It's like an example of the test.
Oh, beautiful. That's it. That's it. It's like an example of the test. Good job. You guys are so smart. Please, please, please pat yourselves on the back right now. You're doing a great job. Okay, so go ahead and open page 28 of the Student Guided Practice Book. And there you will see this graphic in front of you. And all of these words have the words prefix on them. So today we learned what the prefix pre meant. And we learned what some of those words put together, like preview, predict, pre-test, and pre-game, right? So let's think about two more words. Do you see you have two spots open there to write it in? So let's talk about it. Go ahead and unmute yourself and turn your brain on and give me another example of a word that starts with the prefix pre. Go ahead.
Prediction.
Prediction, yes, that's very similar to predict, but yes, that's a different way to use it. Very good. Who's got another one? Great, I see your hands up. Yes, Mickey.
I have a pre-word.
Uh-oh. What is it?
Pre-write.
Oh my goodness, that's a great one. Pre-write. And I'm sure that we will be pre-writing pretty soon in our classes. Very nice. So then the rest, as you can see, the rest of your worksheet has some questions there. And actually you have to write or pick a couple of the words that are on the graphic organizer and write sentences with them. Make sure you finish that page, and we'll go ahead and look at it tomorrow when we come back to class. Okay, guys? All right. Turn your mics on and let's say goodbye, everybody. 1, 2, 3. See you tomorrow.
Bye.